Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, welcome, welcome, welcome. No, now, I have something to tell you. No, magpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa ating Yaw Yaw. We officially reached episode 20 sa Yaw Yaw segment ng ating vlog channel na to. No, so we totally have 64 videos plus this one, so 65 videos na sa lahat, no, including shorts. So, grabe, I really appreciate your time and effort, no. So, dahil ang sinasabi ko is I have to vlog at the same time. Yung Yaw Yaw segment was just for fun, no? For funsies, pero still I badly need like more videos pa for my vlogs, no? So, mamaya-maya na I will have to do another video. To ano lang to, just to thank everybody for your love and support etong video na to, because we finally officially finished the first ano no the first na 20 episodes of Yaw Yaw segment. To congratulate myself, no, and to splurge myself with so much love. Kasi ginawa ko tong lahat ng to para sa inyo, no, and for the Visayan fans naman, no. Also, I do have a Twitter account now, for my other channel. Pero anyway, not plugging it here. Kasi para sa ibang channel pala yon. Sorry naman. Okay? Now, what else? I guess yun lang naman, no? I just wanna say thank you and congratulations to myself. And thank you as well for your love and support, no? Dahil pinagkatiwala nyo sa akin ang channel na to. Hindi, joke. Dahil pinagkatiwala ko sa sarili ko tong vlogging journey ko. No? Very much so, kahit alam kong ilan sa inyo nag-view din ng aking content. We have 7 views sa dalawang videos ko, which is, ang taas nun ha, 7 views. I did not expect 7 views sa videos ko, sa dalawang videos ko na yan. So, that alone gave me 14 views, no? So, medyo malaki-laki na yung viewership ko dun. And at the same time, dahil wala pa tayong 1 month, I mean, we are at 1 month, as of recording time, wala pa, no? Pero, as of July, which is, eto, nasa July, ano na to July 14, I think, na episode na makikita nyo to sa July 14 na. So, malamang nasa 1 month na tayo plus, no? So, we are halfway there, no? Sa second month natin. And, again, I'm making this just to help, myself and everyone, to inspire you guys to make your vlogs as well. Kahit walang masyadong manonood, okay lang yan, no? Basta as long as you have your own vlogs, you have your own chika moments, and your own parang podcast na rin kasi this is parang may podcast setting na rin we have our LED light at the same time, and our microphone, no. So, but later at the second video, which is for tomorrow, meron tayong bubuksan na bagong parcel, no. So, ano to? Malalaman nyo bukas. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm your host, your one only Shimmy Boy Shimron Suarez. Thank you so much, and I love you all. Bye-bye.